All right, so for vocabulary today, you're going to have to match the definitions to the examples and the examples to the definition. Okay, so let's talk about ordered pairs. Your ordered pair is when you have an x coordinate and a y coordinate, and they have two values written in fixed order with parentheses. So that's like saying x comma y. And you place the numbers in that set of parentheses to show what you're going to plot on the grid. Okay, so then we also have this proportion. And we talked a little bit about this before break. And when you have proportions, that's when you have two equivalent ratios being proportional together, meaning being equivalent to each other. So that's when you have two ratios that are equivalent to each other. Okay? A variable is a symbol for a value we don't know. So we oftentimes use x or a letter. A variable is just a letter. Okay? It's pretty much a letter we use to represent or hold the space of something that we don't know what it is yet. Okay? Your x-axis is the line of the graph that runs horizontal from left to right. And your y-axis is the line that runs vertical, up and down. So that would be this image, up and down. And your point of origin is where you always start on the graph, which is always 0, 0. The point of origin has an x axis of 0 and a y axis of 0. So it's the starting point of x and y with a 0, 0 as its ordered pair. And that's vocab for today.